you're on TikTok, you've seen this viral hair trimmer all over the place. Haven't seen many reviews from people that look like me, besides one of my girlfriends. I'll link her information up above, but I definitely wanted to try it out and see how it works for the natural hair community. So here's the video. Keep on watching. Enjoy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are trying the viral cordless hair trimmer from TikTok shop. Keep on watching. So this is the new RH6668. It says it has visible hair cutting effect, hair care battery indicator, and it uses a Type-C charging port. And it does come in different colors. I did order it in pink. So let's get right into it. Okay, it comes in this nice package, which I absolutely appreciate. So it comes with the cube to charge it. Comes with the charger and also some hair clips. Comes with a little information booklet. And the star of the show, the hair trimmer. So inside of this little case, this case is super cute. There's some little storage areas inside of here. Definitely be making use of this. But the star of the show is this hair trimmer. Absolutely super cute. So excited to try this. So I guess this is where the hair is collected once you put your hair inside of here. So I might need to charge her up, so let me do that and get her started, and we'll be back to show you how this works. All right, so I've already completed this side with the trimmer, and I can definitely say my hair feels a lot smoother. So far, so good. I'm gonna show you how it works, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end, so keep on watching. So this is the amount of hair from doing this first section. So we're gonna move on to the next section. I'm taking a small section of hair, detangling it, push it up to power it on, slide the hair in, and then just bring it down. So I did finish my entire hair, and not sure if I see a change in my hair, but it definitely feels a lot smoother than it did before I used the trimmer. This is all of the hair that was collected from the trimmer, so clearly it did its job. So I'll leave the link to where you can purchase this in the description box below. Check it out if you're interested. Clearly did its job, so I definitely would recommend it if you have split ends, if you don't go to get your ends trimmed on a regular basis. This is definitely something that you could use. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.